Alright guys, so we're back here with this awesome Redcat vehicle, and this is the transmitter in here. Let's get it out. Transmitter is very well packaged with its charger in there. Let's get this out too. I'm going to have to get that knife back out here. There we go. Got it. It's the transmitter. Charger's on this side. I do like Ziplocs. Big fan of Ziplocs. Because then you can keep things nice and tidy when you're not using them. It's your typical Redcat racing. Wait a second. This is a little bit different right there. Let's see what kind of connector is on here, because usually they have those nice red connectors, but not this vehicle here. Apparently this one is sealed in some odd way. Come on. No, I was wrong. It's the same red connectors that I so enjoy using. Awesome. My favorite connectors used to be the Tamiya connectors, but these have now become my new favorite. And it's your typical, not a fan of these kind of remotes. I like the, the FPV or the drone racing kind of remote controls. But they used to sell cars with those, but they don't anymore for some reason. And I'm thinking maybe the reason is just that these take up less space, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, standard remote. Let's see how many batteries it takes. Nice. This is a 4-1. Yes. The other one I got had 8 batteries requirement, which is really a pain. Because if you need 8 batteries for each vehicle that you own, it's going to be like overkill. So let's see. What's this thing like? Wow, it has a lot of... Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Look at the travel on this thing. I've never had anything like this before, so this is extra exciting for me. But maybe a lot of you are going to be like, oh, that's what they all do. That's what all the trucks do. Alright, well. Then be unexcited. But I'm excited. Oh wow, okay, cool. So it has the good old nickel metal hydride. This is the same battery I got for my Drift RC. Let me see if I got the body for that guy. It'd be pretty funny if I put this body on there. That would be epic. That would be epic. Yeah. But yeah, fun. It has an ESC over here. This thing is waterproof, I guess, so you can turn it on from there. Everything looks nice. These are all metal bits. Metal here, everything. I wonder if it's going to be noisy like the other one. I guess I'm going to have to do a whole bunch of... it's not as noisy as the other one. I'm going to have to put a bunch of oil in a bunch of parts. So that'll go like this. Pretty cool. It's got this over here. That's nice and exposed, so I can grease that up pretty good. Wow, this is going to be awesome. But anyway, my plans for this are not the plans that most people have for these kinds of vehicles. I'm going to use this... wow, look at these shocks. I'm going to use this with VR cameras and stuff to do some crawling around like paths here in Irvine to just show off the path. So it's not going to be really about crawling itself. It's going to be about showcasing this beautiful town. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.